Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Are you tired of Wi-Fi dead zones in your home? Well, I've got a game changer for you today. We're diving into the Amazon eero 6 Mesh Wi-Fi extender, and let me tell you, this little device is about to revolutionize your home network. Imagine streaming your favorite show in crystal clear 4K while your kids are gaming online and your partner's on a video call, all without a single buffer or lag. Sounds too good to be true. Not anymore. The eero 6 extender is here to make that dream a reality. Now, let's talk specs. This powerhouse can add up to 1,500 square feet of Wi-Fi 6 coverage to your existing eero mesh network. That's like blanketing an entire floor of your house with lightning-fast internet. No more running to the living room just to send an email or upload a file. But here's the kicker. It's not just about coverage. The eero 6 extender brings Wi-Fi 6 technology to the table. For those who aren't tech-savvy, that means faster speeds, lower latency, and the ability to handle more devices simultaneously. It's like upgrading from a country road to a superhighway for your data. Setting it up, a breeze. Seriously, it's so simple your grandma could do it. Just plug it in, open the eero app, and you're good to go. No PhD in computer science required. Now, I know what you're thinking, but what about my smart home devices? Well, the eero 6 extender has got you covered there too. It doubles as a Zigbee smart home hub, so you can connect and control compatible devices directly through Alexa, lights, locks, plugs, you name it. This extender can handle it. Let's talk design for a second. It's sleek, it's compact, and it blends in seamlessly with your home decor. No ugly antennas or blinking lights to ruin your aesthetic. It's like the ninja of Wi-Fi extenders, powerful but unseen. But here's the real question. Is it worth the investment? After putting it through its paces, I can confidently say, absolutely. The improvement in coverage and speed is noticeable from day one, and with the ability to support over 75 devices simultaneously, it's future-proof for even the most tech-heavy households. To wrap it up, if you're looking to banish Wi-Fi dead zones to the shadow realm and bring your home network into the 21st century, the Amazon eero 6 Mesh Wi-Fi extender is your ticket. It's fast, it's easy, and it's a game changer for your connected life. So, what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to buffering and hello to seamless connectivity. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Hit that link in the description and upgrade your home network today. You won't regret it.